Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into the KKTONER PU Leather Modern Round Rolling Stool with Footrest, a sleek and practical seating solution for various settings. Let's get into the details. First off, let's talk about adjustability. This stool offers a decent range, with a seat height that adjusts from 19.2 inches to 25.2 inches, making it suitable for various table or counter heights. Plus, the 360-degree swivel feature adds to its versatility, allowing you to move around with ease. Comfort is key, and this stool delivers. The cushioned seat, wrapped in PU leather, provides a modern touch while ensuring comfort during long hours of sitting. The material is also waterproof and easy to clean, which is a big plus, especially in environments like salons or kitchens. Durability-wise, the metal frame ensures stability, supporting up to 250 pounds without any wobbling. Assembly is a breeze, taking just around 5 minutes to put together. Just remember to remove the black plastic protective sleeve from the hydraulic rod before installation, as mentioned in the tips. Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're in a salon, office, kitchen, or even at a vanity desk, this stool fits right in. Its compact size and stylish design make it a great addition to any space without taking up too much room. Overall, the KKTONER PU Leather Modern Round Rolling Stool with Footrest ticks all the boxes for a comfortable, stylish, and practical seating solution. If you're in need of a reliable stool for your workspace or home, this could be the perfect fit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.